That's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. Like everything we do, as you know. This is the ultimate in seating, okay? This is Travelcade Explorer RS. Now, basically an RS seat means you've got these, this is all gel anyway, but you have got these raised pads here, which if I press that in, you can see that will fit your backside or whatever you're going to use perfectly, okay? And also this stops you sweating because you have a channel here. But I say these will completely fit you. No matter, you know, people in wheelchairs obviously know all about this memory foam, but very, very amazing stuff, gel memory foam sort of stuff. Also, you'll see that the back has the same. Now, this is gel. I'm telling you, it's memory foam. It actually isn't, but it's like memory foam when you press it in. Now, saddle gel, like it says, excellent exclusive formulation developed by superior cushioning anti-dampen road vibrations, especially beneficial for thinner seats where foam alone is not sufficient. Well, this is obviously not a thinner seat. This is very, very comfy. But you can see here these pads, as soon as you sit on them, they are going to mold to you exactly. And these obviously will come out, okay? Because obviously memory foam or whatever, or memory gel, whatever it is, does actually spring back out, I can assure you. Otherwise, it'd be in for good. But cracking seat, very, very good. If you want to take your Breakout over to Austria, to the Fackersee, or any proper rally, this seat really is what you need, something like this, okay? The rider backrest folds down for the pillion, allow the pillion to get on. Furthermore, it is removable, so if I can get the thing out, because it's bloody awkward with one hand holding this. Come out, yeah. So basically there's your backrest. You can adjust the angle with this, so this will actually allow you, you know, to adjust the angle of this, okay? You then put the flap down if you don't want to use the rider backrest. But you can see here, cracking bit of kit, absolutely amazing. That's what you call back support. When it's on the bike, obviously it's like that, so you've got a lot of back support there. You almost don't need the backrest, to be honest with you, but on this particular seat it comes with it, and this is a cracking price, pretty well half the retail price, because we got these on a great deal. Now, if you want to have a look at this, the underneath, you can see this is your backrest bracket. This is your sort of two-tone vinyl, okay, or Nagua hide, I believe they call it. And this shows you how it works. So you can see here, you've got the smooth shell, the foam heat barrier, rigid base, variable density foam, soft stretch cover. And on this, obviously, on the RS, you've got this extra beautiful lumps that actually mold to you. Okay, so you're going to take this off, spin it round, and there's your rear seat bracket. Now the rider backrest, like I say, very well made. This is all loose because I haven't tightened it up, but obviously you tighten these up, then you can adjust the angle here. And as I say, this, if you don't want to use it, you don't have to, because at this price you couldn't even buy the seat without the backrest. You know, this seat retails around about 1,100 quid. At the price we've got it at, you really can't go wrong, okay? But it looks pretty cool on its own anyway, without the backrest. Well, I say the backrest, lift the flat back like this. You've then got to find the metal, which is inside. Okay, that's gone in, okay? But obviously, this is not done up. This would normally be rigid, but I haven't actually done up the bolts in here tight. Okay, and obviously the rider height, this is adjustable. You know, this will go up and down. There's slots in there, so you can actually adjust how high this backrest is. But cracking bit of kit, you really can't get any comfier than a Saddlemen, that's for sure. You know, the saddle gel is absolutely stunning. I've got a couple of bikes with it. Some of my Leperas have got the saddle gel as well. Okay, and Leperas are normally rock hard. But this seat, absolute bargain at 600 quid. This seat retails in excess of £1,000. So if you want the ultimate for your Breakout, or just, you know, give us a call if you've any other bikes that you want seats for. We've got them for FXRs. We've got some Lepera Monterey's and Sonoras. We've got some Mustangs for FXRs. We've got softtail. We've got some Solos for XV19s, Corbins. We've got Corbins for Triumph Trophies and the old bikes. That's the old Hinkley Triumphs. And we've also got seats for Valkyries. You know, pretty well any bike known to man you can think of. Okay, give us a call, 01773835666. The website that this stuff seems to be going on at the moment is customcruisers.eu. Okay, so we can't actually get it easily onto customcruisers.com because the site's absolute crap. But if you try customcruisers.eu, you will find some amazing bargains on there. This is a lot of the stuff we're putting on eBay. So if you want to check Mike's Bikes 1960 on eBay, you'll see we've got about 300 listings on there. A lot of it is Kuriakin to get rid of. We've got seats, we've got engines, believe it or not, we've got trannies, we've got, you know, billet 6 brakes, we've got normal brakes, rebuilt brakes, we've got master cylinders, we've got turbo kits, believe it or not. Sorry, supercharger kit. That is a Pro Charger with the intercooler. Give you Harley 70 horsepower straight off the cuff without making it unreliable and tuning the hell out of it, losing all your bottom end. This will give you more bottom end and everything. And give us a call, 01773835666, alternatively customcruisers.com. God help us all, customcruisers.eu, even though the shipping's miles out. Thank you.